Hi there, my name is Ro. I'm the online fitness specialist with the team, and I'm super excited to share with you today a little bit of information about our newest online fitness program, Strength and Mobility. Through this program, we're really focusing in on stability, we're focusing on balance, we're focusing on building strength, and we're focusing on mobility. All of these things together are so key to help us through our daily activities to make our activities safer, more efficient, pain-free. This is a 6-week online fitness program. We have everything included with this program to help you be super successful here. You're gonna get your calendar with the program. The calendar is gonna tell you which workout to do on each day. There's 3 phases through this program. In phase 1, we have 4 workouts a week. In phase 2, it's 5 workouts. And in phase 3, it is 6 workouts a week. We incorporate that mobility into all of our workouts. We incorporate core training and balance training, stability training, strength training. All of this is built right into this full program that's just gonna help you feel fabulous in your daily activities. You're going to get a set of tracking sheets that come with the program as well. And tracking sheets are so key, and they really help you track your progress, see progress as you go, see yourself getting stronger, fitter, more balanced. After each workout, you'll take some notes on how you did in each workout. You'll take some notes on what weights you used, how you felt through the workouts, how your balance was, how the wobble was, how stable you felt. You're gonna jot down all of those notes. That way, as you go through the 6 weeks of the program, you can really track the progress. You can see yourself getting stronger and fitter, and you can really track it through those tracking sheets. We do use some equipment through this program. A set of dumbbells is amazing. If you have light, medium, and heavy, we're gonna use those. If you don't have dumbbells though, don't let that stop you. Grab whatever you have around the house, whether it be cans of tomatoes or water bottles, laundry detergent containers, even bottles of wine. They make great weights. So whatever you have, we're gonna use those to help us with our strength workouts. I also recommend having a set of mini loop bands and also a long band. For the loop bands, you can use either the fabric or the silicone, whichever you have is awesome. They're super easy to find. With the long band, we use this to help a little bit with our mobility training. If you have a long band, that's awesome. If not, I also give you options of using like a towel or a sweatshirt, just something that you can really kind of pull on. That is amazing, and that's the equipment that you need for this program. Have a whole team supporting you every step of the way through this program. We're all working out from home. We're all by ourselves working out from home. I'm just right here in my little corner in my basement. We're all from home. We don't need much space. But the key here is that we're never alone. We're all doing this program together. You have me as your online fitness specialist. You have the coaches with the team. You have all the other participants going through the program. We're all doing this together, and we're all supporting each other, cheering each other on, and having so much fun through the Strength and Mobility program. If you have any questions at any time, please reach out to us. We're here for you. We're here to support you, cheer you on, love on you, and help you every step of the way. So the whole team is here for you. Reach out anytime with any questions, and we're so excited to spend 6 weeks with you rocking out strength and mobility.